Hi students, I am K. Chamberi, your OVA editor. Now we are going to see about an important questions of OOAD from unit number 1. The topics which we are going to see about an important questions of OOAD one by one in next slides. Now the important topics of first unit. The first topic, unified approach. Second topic, object basics. Third topic, SDLC, software development life cycle. It's a very important question from the unit number 1, methodologies. Last one, some methodology. There are three types of methodology here. So let's go to discuss about the four concepts remaining slide. Right. Let's go to the first topic, unified approach. The unified approach is a methodology for the software development that is used to in this mainly concept this from the book. The basic methodology, the three types are here. One, Buch, Jacobson and Rambeck. The UF based on methodologies, the set of notifications, that is a UML is a notifications and the convention used to describe and the model and applications. Utilize the modeling language, which is set of notations described in model and the applications. Now, the object management, the groups in the unified modeling language along with the guidance. This is a very important. What are the main points of the unified approach? That is only the three methodologies are here, unified modeling language and the set of notations and the conventions describe model and applications. And the mainly used for this process can consider as a software development process. Next topic, object basics. There are main goals in object basics. The first goal, how to define the class and the objects. The objects are instance of the class is a group of objects. The describe object methods, how to consider the object, that is considered as attributes, models, methods, and how object respond to the message. The user can send any message. How to respond to further messages. Define the polymerism, inheritance, data abstraction, encapsulation, and the protocols. It can be object relationship, how to describe the object relationship and understand meta classes. What is so object? The group of instance of the classes. Then class group of objects. For an example, I given here, I am an employee. There is attributes, I am a car. So next topic is a very very important topic in 5 mark from the University of Madras question paper. Software development life cycle. It's a short form SDLC. So what are the main points here? The software development process, it's considered as a measuring of high quality software. The how to design the object oriented system design, system development, use case driven, prototyping, rapid application development, component based development. These points are include the building high quality software. In case if you have any queries from the customer satisfaction is very very important. In case the problem will be solved by the user. The software development life cycle mainly think the 4 categories: RAD, CBD, building high quality software and software development process. And finally the continuous testing and reusability. In case if the customer satisfaction are unsatisfied, again you can do the content, again doing the testing. And reusability of the life cycle. Now the important question 10 marks from unit 1, methodology. Methodologies are 3 types. The three types are one, Rambeck, second one, Buch methodology, and finally Jacobson methodology. A methodology is explained as a science of methods, that is a set of procedures, a set of rules in which a specific goal is approached step by step. The many methodologies are available to choose from for system development. Already we know discuss about the system development, analysis, design, implementation and testing. First methodology, Rambeck methodology. The methodology will be considered as analysis, system design, object design and implementation. What are the content need to be analyzed per building? That is called analysis. What are the system requirements to need to build? System design. So what are the classes can be need? The object design. So what are the content can be going to implement in the build? That is a Rambeck methodology to be considered. So next methodology, Booch methodology. The Booch methodology covers the analyze and design parts of the system development. Sometimes it's criticized for its large set of symbols, set of diagrams. The concept follow the diagram, class diagram, object diagram, state transition diagram, module diagrams, process diagram and interaction diagrams. The methodologies are three type of prescribes. One, macro development process. Second one, a micro development process. The macro development process is controlling framework for the micro process. The primary concern is the technical management of the system. For an example, analysis and development of the model, design or create the system architecture, evaluation or implementation and maintenance. So next one is a micro development process. A micro development process, it can be identifying classes and the objects. Identify class and the object semantics. Identify class and object relationships. Identify class and object interface and implementation. The final methodology, Jacobson methodologies. Jacobson methodologies cover the entire life cycle and stress traceability between the different phases. What are the different phases? Analysis phase, design phase, implementation phase and testing phases. It is considered as a building of different several different models. Use case model, there is an analysis of the everything. Analysis, design, implementation, user satisfaction. So everything will be analyzed. Next model, domain object model. Be considered as a domain only. What are the domain can be used in the software development life cycle? What are the content need to be analyzed? The analyze object model. So what are the condition in case if the work is be complete to be test the model. So we are going to test the model after complete the work. See, this is the Jacobson methodologies. The Jacobson methodologies use case again the central vehicle for modeling, providing traceability throughout the software engineering all process. The enterprise's level of object modeling, that is OOBE. Thank you, students. I hope it would be useful to you for examination. Stay home, be safe. Thank you.